Folks, today you are about to see the most amazing, the most incredible, the most phenomenal and fantastic fifth wheel in the United States of America. This is the Salem Hemisphere GLX 378FL, so buckle up. All right, just kidding, but seriously, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. You've probably seen my ad for the RV up for sale, and I just want to take some time to show you some of the unique features on this 378FL, things that you won't find even on the new units up for sale, and ultimately features and enhancements that really will help you have a good time when you're out camping. So stay tuned. Now, I'm going to try to make this short and sweet, so I'm just going to hit these all in staccato fashion. So first up front, you've got the Reese Goose Box. This makes the towing experience absolutely amazing with the airbag and the shocks inside. Plus, you don't have to have a giant fifth wheel hitch in your truck bed, just a goose ball. Snap pads. Now, I know that's super easy to add on yourself, but hey, it's already done on this unit. 6 of them on the auto level system. And up above here, you've got an LED motion light, so you can turn it on at nighttime so it illuminates when it senses motion. It's super bright and lights up everything in front of the fifth wheel. Check out this huge storage bay in the front. Because the spare tire was relocated underneath, you've got this whole storage bay all cleared out for storage, and it's lit with LED lights on a switch. Renogy 100 amp hour lithium battery. That's right, 100 amp hour, and you can use that full 100 amps. It's not like lead acid where you can only discharge to half the capacity, so you get the full 100 amp hours. Moride storage tray makes it super easy to get all your stuff in the front storage compartment. Outside spray port on the campsite, and this is awesome because you can rinse off the steps real easily. You can also rinse off feet, dirty shoes, and so forth. And this coiled hose actually doubles on the opposite side in the wet bay for your shower there as well. All right, let's talk the business end of things real quick. So these tires have been upgraded to the Salem G-rated tires. These are serious heavy-duty tires, 14 ply. They each have a load rating of 4,000 pounds each. And then if we take a look here at the suspension, it's been upgraded to the Lippert Road Armor. It's got some rubber on the top and bottom for suspension travel up and down. In addition, all the shackles and bolts have been upgraded to heavy duty with wet bolts, so you can grease them up all the way around on the suspension. TPMS on all 4 tires, so you can monitor the pressure and temperature on your phone through an app via Bluetooth. Heavy duty rollers welded to the back of the frames, that if you end up anywhere where there's low clearance, then the rollers take over and keep you going. 2-inch receiver on the back, so you can mount bike racks and other accessories to take along with you. You got sewer hose storage both here next to the wet bay and also in the rear bumper. But let's take a look at this awesome wet bay. So notice how you got 2 reels, one for the 50 amp power cord, another for your water hose. Then check out, you've got motion lighting here in the wet bay. You've got a whole house water filter for the coach. And then directly behind there, you actually have a residential PRV, pressure reducing valve, and so you never have to plug in one of those to the hose port there. On the back of the rig, you've got the Furrion wireless observation and backup camera, along with the Weboost cell signal extender. All the cam locks, the slam latch baggage doors, and the entry handle sets have been changed over to the Bauer key-to-like system, and so there is literally one key for every single lock and door on the rig. And then the main handle set on the entry door has been changed over to the Bauer NE Bluetooth handle set, so you can of course use a code there, but then you can also control it with an app on your phone via Bluetooth. Upgraded oversized grab handle going on into the rig, and you will see it's got the Victron BMV 712 battery monitor, along with some exterior downlighting, some amber downlighting that you can use at night. It's not too bright to scare off your neighbors, but bright enough to kind of just give some ambience outside and have some security at nighttime. And to the left of the stairs, you've got a storage cabinet. You can use it for shoes, purses, bags, whatever you got room for. It would otherwise be wasted space that's inaccessible, but it's been opened up with a factory OEM door. Now, in a lot of the newer builds, they don't have this nice banister going up into the front living room. It's just a solid wall, so it's kind of a nice touch and just makes it feel more homey. All the heating ducts in the floor and the AC registers in the ceiling have been changed to louvered versions, so you can really control where your heat and cooling go to make yourself more comfortable. In the kitchen, you've got a nice little towel rack that folds out there. You've also got a dedicated drinking water, a filtered drinking water spigot there. It's got its own special filter below, in addition to the whole house filter that you saw in the wet bay there. And then you've also got a power of tower here. It's got USB-C and regular USB ports, plus you've got wireless charging there up on top. And in the kitchen, you've got an extra outlet added here in the corner, perfect for a coffee maker. It is on the GFCI circuit. And it does have a central vac added with the auto dustpan. You just flip this up when it's plugged into shore power and some LED lights turn on, and it sucks up if you're just using a little whisk broom. And then of course you also do have the main unit here. You can plug in the cord, which will reach all the way to the front and all the way to the back with all the different attachments. And centrally located in the rig is the Weboost Drive X cell signal booster. And it's nice because the repeater, the antenna here that I've got in my hand, you can pretty much move this all the way to the front living room or to the back. And as long as your phone is within a few inches here of this repeater, the signal is going to be boosted a really substantial amount. I've been very impressed with it. And both thermostats have been upgraded to the Bluetooth version, which is super nice because if you're in bed at night and you want to change the temperature, you can just do it right on your phone through Bluetooth. All right, let's take a look at the bathroom here. We did add the storage baskets that you see in a lot of the later builds up on the wall there. So that's a nice feature to have. And this shower is actually very unique. It's plumbed as both a shower and a bathtub. So you can actually fill it up a good 10 to 12 inches there. It's great for kids, or if you want to take a bath in there as an adult, no judgment. It does have a seat in there as well. And of course, like most people, we upgraded the shower head to the Oxygenics there. The toilet does have a bidet on it, and this one's actually a hot and cold bidet, so it's a nice warm temperature. It's got a thermostatic mixing valve behind the toilet there that combines the hot and cold to a nice comfortable temperature. And let's pan around to the vanity. We did upgrade the faucet to a single lever, higher rise faucet, just makes it a lot easier to get your hands up under there. And panning up in the bathroom on the ceiling from the factory, Forest River does put a bath fan in there, but it's just one of those little tiny fans. And you know, being so tall up on the ceiling there, it's virtually impossible to raise and lower it yourself, so go figure, right? So went ahead and upgraded that to a max air fan, and it's got the auto close here with the remote there, so you can go up and down, and it's got the kind of the built-in cover to the fan up there, and so you don't have to add anything on the outside. Super nice because you can really ventilate the whole rig with this single fan here in the bathroom. And moving back into the master bedroom, the mattress has been upgraded to a Casper foam mattress, and in my opinion it's one of the most comfortable, economical mattresses you can get. You'll see just above the master bed there, it's got some nice spotlighting there that you can put either on that kind of soft blue, or you can turn it into a spotlight for reading, and that's just a lot better than just having a bright puck light in your face when you're going to bed. And if we pan around, you'll see there's a smart TV added in the master bedroom along with the Blu-ray player. And last but not least, this unit has been upgraded with the washer dryer combo. This is awesome when you're on vacation. You just need to do a little bit of laundry. You put it in there, set it, and forget it. It will both wash and dry your clothes. thanks for your interest in my rig. I hope this video was helpful to give you an idea of some of the unique upgrades and mods that this particular unit has. Now, several months ago, I did do a detailed tour and review on the rig that I posted for the community online, so I'll put a link to that in the description below if you're interested. It is very long, but if you're interested in those details, that's the video for you. But again, thank you for your interest in the rig. If you have any questions, let me know. But as always, thanks for watching.